I hope you have started to read lesson number 4 and the name of the lesson is our body. In previous video lecture I have explained organization of cell means how a single cell develop into a multicellular organism. Means cell join होकर क्या बनाती है टिश्यू join होकर organ बनाते हैं और organ मिलकर organ system और उसके बाद क्या बनता है organism. It's possible in multicellular because I have told some are unicellular means they are made up of single cell and some are made up of multicellular. And second topic I have discussed in previous video functions of skeletal system. 3 function, 4, 5 function I have explained in previous video lecture. Today I will explain parts of the skeletal system. Different parts are there: skull, backbone, and their rib cage and 4 limbs. Today in this video lecture I will explain only 2. So first, what is skull? I think you are very familiar. So it is a bony framework of the head, or we can say bones of head make up the skull. And its main function is there, it protects the brain. In skull, main part is their brain, and in this it consists of bones of skull. They consist holes are there in eyes, nose, ear, and mouth. So we can say skull contains holes for eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. It is made up of 22 different bones are there. They are joined together. All the bones will be joined. Upper part of the skull has 8 bones, whereas face is made up of 14 bones. So we can say upper part means that part is called the cranium, or we can say the skull consists of 8 cranial and 14 facial bones. So we say 8 plus 14, total 22. How many bones are there? 22. They are making the skull. So function is there again. Main you have to learn only. It protects the main part is there, brain. And here lower jaw is also there in skull, which is movable. All are immovable bones except lower jaw. So in skull all bones are fixed and hence they are immovable. So we are able to talk and read only because of movable lower jaw. You can see here just picture of the skull. It is very visible, I think. So skull, you can see this part. It is called 8 cranial bone, and here 14 facial bones are there, and they are total 22. And these are the, you can see eyes, nose, mouth, here you can say, and ears. There are holes. And here lower jaw. This part is only movable, and they are fixed. You can see joints are there. Joints are there. They are immovable. The bones are fixed. And that part is called cranium. And in this part, skull, brain is protected. So dear student, I think you have understood about the skull. Next topic is there, backbone. You are very familiar about the backbone. It is also called, in simple way, it is also called the spine. It is also called the spine or vertebral column. Other name. So we can say backbone as a spine or vertebral column. Now first you have to understand what is backbone. So backbone it is made up of 33 small bones. They are called the vertebrae. vertebrae, vertebrae in the back that are joined together to form a complete backbone. So, dear student, we can say it is a strong framework in which spinal cord is protected. So, each vertebra has holes. If you will see here, holes are there in vertebra, holes are there. In holes, spinal cord is there, which is protected by this spine. So, it is very delicate. The main function we can say backbone is the protection of the spinal cord. Now again, I am explaining this backbone with a diagram that has been explained in your book. This is the structure of backbone. You can see here about 33 irregular shape. Shape is not regular. They consist 33 irregular shaped bones. They are called the vertebrae. So, strong framework which protects the spinal cord. And this spinal cord enable us to stand upright and maintain our balance. So, this is the main function, if I will recall, means protection of the spinal cord here, and in skull it protects the brain. Because brain is very delicate organ, and in previous video lecture I explained mean function of skeletal system is also there. It protects the internal organ. So I hope you understood means how these two delicate organs, spinal cord and brain, has been protected, skull and bone respectively. So dear student, I hope today video lecture you will go through. In next video lecture, I will explain about the limbs and rib cage. Thank you.